the strengths and the challenges of the bike. And it was a very good friend to me last season.
"2021 is a new challenge for me. I stay with the Yamaha, but I join a new team. Petronas Yamaha Sepang racing team have shown they are capable of great things. My target is to do the same with them in 2021.
Well, there are many things that I like about this team. First of all, the people. It's great to work for a long period with a team because you get to know better the persons. Of course, the professionality and the level that we are able to maintain is super high, but what I like the most is the people. Well, I expect and I hope to, well, this year I will share the pit box with Vale, and yeah, I expect a nice year, and I hope that it's going to be a nice year for both of us. Yeah, I'm quite excited to jump on again my M1. Many things are uncertain this year, but I know that one thing is certain, that I'm gonna jump on my M1 sooner or later. We're gonna see when, and I hope it's going to be as soon as possible.
I'm very happy. For me, it's a new experience. I cannot wait for the first test for the championship start. Also the colors change, and I like a lot. I like a lot of the new livery of the bike, and also the helmet, my leather. So I think that we are ready. To be competitive, fight for win races, fight for the podiums, and also for a good position at the end of the season. We are all very focused, very concentrated for make better. I'm very proud to be a part of Petronas Yamaha Sepang racing team. A new challenge for me. Is a very young team, but in the last 2 years they are already very competitive. The bike will remain the same, my Yamaha M1, and will be funny, I think. I think that we are a very interesting couple of riders with Franco. We have a good relationship. We know each other very well. We always train together. We always challenging together with all the different bikes. So this year we will do also with the MotoGP. For me, I have a long career, and also a lot of seasons with the Yamaha M1 is my bike. I feel a Yamaha rider. I cannot wait to work together with the Yamaha engineers and with all the team for try to improve the performance of the bike.